Hi, this is Joel, and I just want to share with you my experience with Andrew Cruz's GGMB course. I started actually a month ago, and I went through the first module, and I was able to grow my Facebook group from like 0 to 341 members in about 3-4 weeks. And also one of the best experience I had in the beginning phase of the course was that I was able to go through the problem, promise, and process form in like one afternoon. I have this notebook from the Tribal Buyers live. So here I was able to write it out in one afternoon, so that by the end of that afternoon, a couple of weeks ago, I was able to go through my beta program with 5 modules, actually 6, in one afternoon, and that was very helpful. In addition to that, I find a lot of value with Grant weekly Wednesday mentorship program because not many people actually attend it all at once, so I get a chance to at least go through the process of mentoring twice in within a period of like 3 weeks. So that was very helpful. And Brad Newman, there was a one-time hot seat where he basically cut up my my MVP, my beta program, and he gave me some tips that helped me, that's helping me in creating my beta program. And most importantly, I find a lot of support and help from messaging Tasha Taylor whenever I have a question about the program, about the process. So I highly recommend this program by Andrew Cruz, the GGMB program. So take advantage of it, and as soon as you join, you'll find a lot of value as long as you go through it step by step, apply it, and then execute the plan. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.